Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best property management software. Now I'm going to talk about the free ones and paid ones too. So first I want you to let me down below in the comments how many units you actually got. And depends on that I can recommend you, create you for the best property management software. So first thing first, the kind of the 1 to 20 units, you can check out the first one, for example the Inigo. So it's like free online rental property management software, and this is something that you can actually check out for yourself when you're going to see the pricing here. And you see no setup fee, no monthly fee, no contract, and you can have your cost here, free a lot of free things here. So this is the first one kind of for complete starting out. Okay, so first one to check out, and then also your tenants cost is free, and here you can read more about it. So it offers rent collection, tenant screening, and maintenance tracking without monthly fees. So that's very good. Now the Inigo, interesting one, okay? Now also the Baselane, this is another one that you can check out for yourself as a LandRoute software. When you're gonna see the pricing here and you see the monthly here is completely for free. And you see right here, powerful banking booking essentials, or you can have the smart one, which is for $25 a month on an annual plan, where you can save there. And when you're gonna select annual is $20 a month. So this is the Baselane is also interesting one, and maybe you'll like it. And also the Turbo Tenant, this is another one that is primarily 1 to 20 units that you can have as a property management software. That is interesting. And when you see the pricing here is also for free than when you're starting out. So these are kind of the free ones that I want to share for 1 to 20. Now then you're gonna have another one. So for example, as a door loop. So the door loop is also great. This is for the condos and HOAs. So bulk community announcement, task assignment, file sharing with review boards, separate association fees from rent automatically. And there you're gonna find a lot of kind of the benefits, but it's more pricey, as you can see, right? $99 a month per month, bill monthly. So that's something that you need to expect if you want to use it. Then also you're gonna have the AppFolio. So that's also an interesting one, only because it got good for mixed residential and commercial, single dashboard for maintenances, detailed inspection sheets for move-ins, moves-outs, custom forms per unit type, and you have 50 unit minimum. So you have to book a free demo. So AppFolio is on those kind of the higher, when you have more units, and that's something that you need to kind of expect. Then also, as I mentioned, the door loop, interesting one. Then you can have also the Rentvine. So there are so many tools, by the way. So fastest growing property management software, where when you're gonna look here the pricing, and you can get also the demo. So this is for 20 to 200 units. If you get more units, you can start with that. And then you're gonna have also the Yardi Breeze, for example. This is for even more units. This is the cloud-based property management software, where I can come here and I can click on the pricing, and there you're gonna have residential, commercial, affordable housing, self-hosted. So if I'm going to be here, you see you get $1 per unit per month, or you're gonna have minimum per month, and or Premier. And this is something that you can actually test out for yourself. Maybe it's going to be good for you too. This is kind of gold standard for advanced accounting, but I also heard kind of the mixed reviews for it. So it's up to you if you're gonna like it or no. So the Yardi Breeze is also interesting one, but for short-term rentals you can also check out the Hostaway. So this is kind of another one, a vacation rental software. So that combines property management, channel management, direct booking, guest messaging, and revenue optimization across Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking, Expedia, and others. And for the pricing you can get a free quote. So Hostaway, that's for the kind of the short-term rentals, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I just want to make this quick and effective video for you. Now for another, for example, the free one, you can check the Magic Door. So with the Magic Door, this is another property management software, and with the Magic Door is like free, no subscription, tenants pay ACH card fees, and AI automated replies, rent reminders. You see right here the free account, a built-in chat, tenant screening with AI scoring, free website. So yeah, hope this video provided a little bit of value, guys. So let me down below in the comments how many units you got, and based on that I can like recommend you the kind of like the property software. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.